Alright guys, it's Prof and welcome to C++ Digest video tutorials. In this tutorials I'm going to show you how to download and install the C++ IDE. So open your web and Google the C++ IDE. Now when the page loads, just go to the C++, the dev C++ resource center. That is where you get it. Now when you come here, so this is what you want. Go to the download side and download the C++ 5.0 beta 9.2 release. So you can get that here. As soon as you click on this, it will take you to the SourceForge download page and the file will start downloading automatically. Because I have it, I don't have to download it again. Now if you have IDM, it will tag it and give you a prompt to download it. Good. So once you download the file, you are free to go. Browse to wherever your file was saved to and double click on the file to install. So select the English, which I know is your default language. Then just let the default be your choice. Depending on your machine, this thing may run faster. I am using an HP ProBook, so it will be quite faster. Alright, so this one you can choose what to do. Now I'll go for yes. Then let's launch the C++ for the very first time. Alright, so here you can select the English and you can change the view, but then I will use the Classic Plus and select next. Make sure you have only cache only these files. If you select this, it may take some time before it get done, so just select the default one and click it. Alright, so now we are good to go. We are going to write our first C++ program. All you have to do is to press Ctrl N and you have a new file. Then hash include iostream, hash include here should be include. So now let me say something about this ID. If your machine is a 32-bit, runs on the 32-bit operating system, then you would like to come to tools, compiler options, then here make sure you select 32. If your machine is a 64-bit, then you go for the 64-bit. My machine is a 64-bit, so select 64-bit and click OK. So let's run our first program. Alright, so you have to give the program a name, so let's call it hello world. And I will advise you create a folder and call it my C++ programs, and keep everything that you do over there. Oh, what does it say? Sorry, instead of written, I typed it wrongly. Alright, so there we go. Hello, this is my first C++ program. So thank you guys, and see you in my next video tutorial. Once again, don't forget to send your comments, suggestions and questions on my WhatsApp group and or my Facebook page, C++ Digest. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.